Gauri sir, the stage is all yours.
PTM, ATM, DTM. Curious? Come along with me down memory lane. 2012 December, a very cold, bitter, windy, chilling, and devastating kind of a winter in Dubai. It was so depressing, exactly matching my own feelings of depression, because I was just a timid introvert, having no courage at all to stand up and speak to people and expressing my point of view for fear of being ridiculed or insulted. I was like a driftwood running away along with the tide in the comfort zone. But one thing, if you cultivate this kind of a thing permanently, it will eat into your vitals. And that's exactly what happened to me. And I was in such a situation, I just wanted to get out. For example, I just wanted to be in a place I was not suffocated. There was no claustrophobic feeling. And I just looked at some outlet. Fortunately for me, I chanced into a meeting of a club called Creek Toastmasters Club in Dubai, which was near a restaurant that was close to my house. And I went there. The person who called me was Mr. Sasindran. He interviewed me and then he admitted me into the club. And BTM was a history before Toastmasters. This was the change in my life. And after that, I had so many opportunities. The club embraced me. They gave me so many opportunities. They appointed a mentor, DTM Robin Varkey, who turned out to be a friend more than a mentor. He held my hands till such time I finished my CC and CL. I still love him. ATM. I chanced to get into an advanced Toastmasters club after my CC because the minimum entry level was that. And there I met a person who would become my front philosopher guide, DTM Balaji Nagabhushan. You see, like Dhananjaya would say, Balaji saw something in me, but he didn't know what. But he still took a risk on me. He shaped my life, and I was able to do a lot of role plays, and I was able to do a role of an area director, grew confidently. In this process of Dubai, I met my role model, a person who's so much friendly, his humility is well known, his interest to help people is also well known, and a stickler for ethics. I've seen him personally, I've stood by him when he expressed his anguish at certain unethical things that were happening. He changed the whole thing. Ethical dignity was paramount for him, and that person is none other than what you saw today, DTM Colonel Mohammad Murad. He will always be my role model. Act 1, Scene 2. I shifted to India for personal reasons, but I didn't know anything that was happening here because even though I was from Bangalore, everything was new to me. The system was new to me. The district was new to me. I didn't know a single person. Chance to meet LA. LA came by my way because it was, again, close to my house, and I came as a guest, fell in love with LA. Ladies and gentlemen, literally fell in love with this wonderful club because it helped me to complete my DTM. I thought at an old age, rather not an old age, at an advanced age, I joined Toastmaster. I'll never be a DTM. Not LA had other plans. It held my hand. It made sure that I became a DTM. Then it gave me opportunity to serve this community twice as VP Education. And then the crowning glory made me the president of this wonderful club. What an honor for me, ladies and gentlemen, and only LA could have done it. I became a coach, I became a mentor, I wrote a book. All sorts of things happened because of LA's influence on me. Knowingly, unknowingly, deliberately or otherwise, 5 people helped me. DTM Dore Arasu, DTM Chandramouli, Toastmaster Sridhar, Toastmaster Jagdish Nagabhushan, and Dr. Ushi. They did not know how they were helping me in the process of the churning process, but today I'm standing in front of you as an author, having written a book. Don't just talk, communicate. A second book is in the pipeline. Don't just follow, lead. How did this happen to all a person who was such a timid and non-entity? Toastmasters, LA. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are there as a Toastmaster, take a vow today. Please promise yourself that you will change one person outside the forum as a Toastmaster. You will be doing a great favor for that soul which is struggling outside, not knowing what to do. And those non-Toastmasters who are with us today, jump into it. Please take this, and then you will see the difference in you. Thank you very much.